welcome to my first ever YouTube video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be installing some medium box braids, and throughout this video you'll just be seeing how I accomplish this look. So right here, all I'm doing is applying shining gem to the part so my parts can be more defined. And the comb that I'm using is the Braid Barbie precision comb, and all the products that I use in this video, the amount of hair I use, all that will be in the description box.
Bye.
So to start my braid off, I split the natural hair into 3 sections, and I begin braiding that. I don't braid it down all the way, but I braid it down enough for me to put the box braid weave on the natural hair.
You win.
So as you can see, while I'm braiding, I make sure I keep her natural hair tucked under the braid because it is called a protective style, so it's supposed to protect your natural hair. And I also do this for when the braids get old, your natural hair won't be peeking through the braid.
Bye.
So throughout the braid, you'll see me add product to the natural hair under the braid, and I do this so the hair won't stick out of the braid and it'll lay inside of the braid smoothly. And this hair was 54 inches, but she wanted them longer, so you'll see me add hair to extend the braids, and I should be adding it now. So I go under the braid and braid it down. I add the hair under and not over, and once I add it through, I just continue to braid regularly, like if I was doing knotless. is just a better visual of how I add in hair to extend the braid. So all I'm doing now is adding the finishing touches. I already foamed and dipped her hair, and as you see now, I'm oiling her scalp, and I just make sure I get every part of her scalp oiled. And after that, after I oil her scalp, you'll see me spray some Sheen on her hair to give it a little shine, and yeah. So that is it for this video. In these next clips, you'll see the finished product. I think it came out pretty good. So like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see in future videos.